Alright, so it's Garv. I'm back. It's the second day of the semester. I didn't fucking do a video yesterday because, I like to fill out the new classes on the first day and everything, so I'm be beasting on the first day. But we're in, what is this class? It's basically diagnostics. Yeah, diagnostic class. We're gonna be figuring out, like crank no start, how to get the car to run, stuff like that. So yeah, I'll give you a little context. Before, my class used to be right here. Now my class is all the way down there. So yeah, new teacher, new vibe, new everything. It's good. Yes, sir. Kyber. But yeah. So I hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing great. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be going to the garage for this week, but we in this bitch on a Thursday. Bow.
Yo, you have to clock in?
Shut up. Shut up.
Bitch, nigga.
Shut up. Don't push me. Don't push me.
Why in my way, bitch?
Don't push me.
You're in my way. Get up.
You walked in my way.
It's okay. Got something for him today.
Oh, perfect. We gon' dog tie his mouth closed.
Yo,
Yeah, we back in this thing. This is our class. The new class. Doing their work.
Cameraman never dies.
Yeah, exactly. The cameraman never dies. But we back in this thing.
I made a mistake.
We back in this thing.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I was getting ready to press either this one or this one.
Hey man, you need to slow down.
Alright, I got you. I mean,
Electrocuted.
Electrocute by the pressure buildup.
We going to the vending machine. Top of the morning. I'm hungry. Let's see what they got. I didn't see him, but you know where his office is? Yeah. But I didn't see him, so I don't think so. Yep, see? Exactly.
Right, get to class, you late.
He said that same shit to me.
Tell Greg to get to class when you walk in.
Now I know exactly what I'm getting this.
What you get in this time?
I should have got this from jump.
Oh, the bar? Yeah, what the fuck?
Why would you pay $350 for that?
350 is wicked.
They finessed you, Tyler.
It was pure.
They ain't finessing me, y'all. I already know what I'm getting.
They gonna arrest
I
you.
look, you want another request. Shit, that ass hurt like
You had the last one.
Oh, they
No,
got
it wasn't even the last one. I just grabbed it. That was it.
And there's Oreos, but it's all the way in the back. They don't. 40? We trying to be like 40 with the 20 Ah, fuck it, bro.
I did him! Are you doing a push up? I'm done. I'm done. Okay, I'm done. Shit. What's up, man? We're doing 40 push-ups. We're doing 40 push-ups. Plus that, well, extra 20, so 60.
My chest is okay. I did like 60 push-ups.
So what does that have to do with you not being able to sleep?
I have grip strength. That got nothing to do with grip strength. Are you doing grip push-ups or you doing ready?
Just do the same thing last night. Like a handshake, like a fist. Yo.
My grip strength is not that. Well, one.
Hey, yo, Garba. Just leave it there? I'm gonna put it right here. Shut the fuck up.
I'm mad with Kane, I'm mad with Kane. That's okay. Where do you think it's at? He disappeared. Oh my god.
We have a guest appearance from my old classmate. So you're in night class.
She's gonna hang with a bunch of fucking losers.
Nah, there's some cool people there.
I can't wake up early in the morning.
I'll let you know if people hang around. He's always saying that.
Oh,
Hey.
Yeah, that's like it.
I might be a little biased,
I know.
but I'm also prejudiced too.
Want to go there after work? I'm tired. I don't want to.
look at this fly. Look at this fly individual.
I mean, money with you.
But yeah, it was really nice to see the home.
Keep it hard, thick, AP on the watch.
It was really nice to get to see Ariana. That was definitely the homie. Was, you know, I fuck with her. But yeah, we're about to go home. So everybody's getting ready to go home. But yeah, tomorrow's Friday. I don't know what the fuck I'm about to do this weekend. But yeah. Appreciate y'all for the love. Bless me with a like and a subscribe. And yeah. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.
I didn't know.